Hello, scholars. Today we are going to go over our multiplication practice assignment. So you are going to click into your classroom, and then the multiplication assignment is going to be right here, multiplication practice. You click on that, go to instructions, and here it is, multiplication flashcards. So you're going to click on that. And then here are the flashcards. So this is the little options on the left hand side. I want you to start with flashcards. So you're going to click 3 times 3. You're going to try to figure out what it is. And 3 times 3 is 9. Click it. Gives you the answer. Next. 3 times 4, 12. Click it. Here you go. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 24. You just keep going on until you finish all of them. And the one, this at the bottom, 12 out of 64, so there are actually 64 problems on here, so you just keep going. Try to guess it before you actually click on it. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 11. I remember teaching you that anything times 11 is itself double, so 3 times 11 is going to be 33, right? Four times 11, same thing. So if 3 times 11 was 33, 4 times 11 is going to be 44. And you can go back and forth in case you need additional help. So 7 times 10 is 70. Click at 70. If you want to go back to try and test yourself, 7 times 7 times 10, 70. Then you go to the next one. Almost done. I'm just flipping through all of them so you guys can get the hang of it. So when you do it on your own, you'll automatically remember how to do it. And that's the end. After that, I want you to go to match. It's the activity. Start game. So you're going to match all of these with here, and it's timing you. So 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 9. 7 times 7 is 49. 4 times 4 is 16. And if you get it wrong, so I know 7 times 6 is 42, but let's just put it here and see what happens. Oh, nope, it's not going to let you connect it. There we go. 6 times 11, 66. And 12 times 11, 132. And unless you know what your score was when you finish, you can play again, or you could choose not to play again. So then you can go back. The next game is called Gravity. So you're going to click on Gravity. Now, the way gravity works is that there are going to be problems falling from the sky, and you have to type in the correct answer. So let's get started. We're going to put it on easy, okay? You can answer with the definition, term, random. We'll put this. Let's go. Watch out for red asteroids. If you miss a term twice, they will destroy your planet. So you got to try not to miss it. So 4 times 4, 16, enter. And then you can press escape to skip out. But that's how it's going to do. The questions are going to fall from the sky and you are going to enter. And if you just escape it because you don't know it, you can go ahead and type in the correct answer, which they have it up here for you. 7 times 8. Let's see. Let's just type in this. 4 times 12, 48. 9 times 7, 63. And I give you a little bit of time to try and figure it out. Now let's just put in 92, which is the wrong answer. It's wrong. So hurry up and try and figure it out. Oh, that didn't work. There you go. And so that's how you play this game. You can go back after you finish it up. So once you go through the flashcards, once you go through match, once you go through gravity, then you can take the test. You have the matching questions, multiple choice, true or false, and then you can check your answers. So let's try and go through these. And I'll give you all of the answers. So 56, let's see, 7 times 8. 12 would be 3 times 4. 36, 6 times 6. 48, 6 times 8. 24. You can use 6 times 4 or 8 times 3. And this is the matching section. So 7 times 12 is 84, so we'll type in C. 4 times 11 is 44, so that's B. 12 times 12 is... I think I put 44. It's supposed to be... I put 144. It should be 44. Sorry. So that's D. 12 times 12 is 144, so that's B. 11 times 12 is 132, so that's E. 11 times 12 is also 132, because those are the same, right? 11 times 12 and 12 times 11. And then so the only one left is A, right? All right, and you have multiple choice. 32. So what is 32? Is it 7 times 6? No. Is it 4 times 9? No. 4 times 3? No. 3 times 4? No. So it's going to be 8 times 4. 7 times 6 is 42. 4 times 9 is 36. 3 times 4 is 12. 66. We already know it's going to be 6 times 11 because anything times itself is double that number, right? 6 times 3 is 18. We know that's right because 8 times 3 is 24, 6 times 8 is 48, and 3 times 4 is 12. 88. It's going to be 8 times 11, right? Because 4 times 11 is 44, right? And the last one is 40. Then you have true or false. 100 equals 10 times 10. Is that true or false? That's true. Is 4 times 4 16? Yes, that's true. 3 times 11, is that 33? Yes, that's true. Is 77 the same as 7 times 10? No, because 7 times 10 is 70, not 77. If it was 7 times 11, then that'll be true, but it's not. So we're going to put false. And then 70, 7 times 10, true. And then you can check your answers. See, look. These are right because 7 times 8, which is the answer. Maybe you got to hit a space in between it. So, okay, that's fine. So you can take a new test. And let's see if we do it the right way. Let's say 6 space times 6. See if that works. 10 space times 6. 3 space times 6. Space 6. 8 space times space 8. 4 space times space 4. Let me make sure I spaced all of those correctly. Make sure. And then do that one. Space it. Space it. And I'll go through these fast since we kind of already took the test. Okay, where's 48A? Okay, let's just see if spacing it out made it correct. So yeah, you gotta space it out. That doesn't make 10 times 6 is 60, which is the same as 6 times 10. But yeah, so when you do the fill in the blank ones, make sure you space it out. All right, and that's it.